Hello everyone, good evening to all. January is gone, February is coming. 1st of February is very important for every trader. If you are a trader, then definitely you would be knowing the importance of this day. This day is budget is going to introduced, right? So the budget is coming, guys. Tomorrow we'll see the live budget, and according to that, we may see the high volatile session, right? So Nifty may shoot up 100 points or it may go down to the 100 points, right? So that kind of volatility we can expect. So I have seen this in previous budget session. The volatility is very high. The premium demand is very high of Nifty or Bank Nifty. So we should be very focused while trading. There are a lot many things that you have to take care while making your trading decisions. So what I have planned for the budget is that I'm going to provide you the live trading access with me. You can join my Zoom meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. and how you can join, why should you join, I will just tell you. I have started my research services from the 18th of January, almost 12-13 days. I have provided intraday calls. So I'm going to go through what type of calls I have provided, where I have provided, and what is the result for all of the trades which I have shared till now. So let me share directly. You can see that I have opened here. I have mentioned all the detail, all the trades which I have shared so far. So I have started from 18th January to 20th Jan, the first week. I have shared almost 8 trades. You can see it here from 18th January. Nifty, HDFC Bank, some stocks are also there, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So I have shared a mix of trades. And you can see, you just can see that whatever the recommendation I have shared so far. So you just see the one SL hit so far in 8 trade. So it's good, I would say, right? In the first week that we have closed in a good zone. If you all traded, whoever the part of this premium group, if you were the part of and you have traded all of the trades, you must be on a good situation. And if I talk about the 23rd to 25th January, so let me show you here. And if you'll see here also, I provided almost again nine trades. You can see the 1, 2, 9 trades I have provided, and all have hit their target. Either it's first target, second target, whatever the target got hit, and that I can see it here. Every target we have achieved here. Okay, so this is the reason you should be joining our premium services, because there you will see the precise information, and day by day the improvements will be there, that how you can take the 2-3 trades on a daily basis and make out of them, right? And if you talk about the last week of the January, let me show you here. Last week of the January, you see I have shared the multiple trades. The number of trades is 25. So it was very high volatile session, and I've shared much trades, and the result is, you can see it here. If you will see how much it's how many SLs has so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 SLs you can see out of 25 trades. So if you traded all of them, right? If you traded all of the trades, so from 25 trades, you took SL in 6 or 7 trades probably, right? You may have missed 1 or 2 trades. Somewhere I have tried to do the adjustment or something. So this is all about the Nifty buying, Bank Nifty, HDFC, or including Reliance I have shared. And how where I have shared some trades on the premium channel. I have shared a number of trades, even this group, where I also shared the stock Adani Enterprises today. Day before yesterday, I've shared some equity cash, or before that I have shared some HDFC, also the positional trade. And in the premium group, I have shared multiple trades last week, right? So you are not going to get such trades in a week like last week, because the volatility was very high. So I tried to make up most of the trades, right, whenever I got the opportunity. But so this will be cut down to 2-3 FNO intraday recommendation. The precise trades you will get. The offer is ending soon, so you can apply for this. The benefit of this will be right? You will get 5,000 rupees discount in this offer. You can avail these services just by paying 2,000 rupees for the first month. Next month, the price will be the regular price. And this offer is also valid till 31st. That means today only. So if you are watching this video, very first thing you need to do it. If you want the services, just go to the description. The link is given there. You should just click on the link and you can subscribe this offer as of now. And once you subscribe to this offer, you also will be able to join me tomorrow in the live meeting via Zoom session, where I will share 2-3 or as per the market scenario, maximum to 3 or 4 recommendation, the high probability recommendation I'm going to share based on the data analysis, based on the price action analysis, like I have shared you. If you want to join my Zoom session for tomorrow, so you can just subscribe this and you can let me on WhatsApp. You will be added to the channel and you will get the Zoom link details so that you can join in the live sessions and you can start trading with us. So thank you guys.